So you want to get a contract. That means you have to speak my language. And if you want to read a contract, you're gonna have to speak English-ish. Because contracts are written in, English-ish. But anyway, contracts serve a very important function for a business and society. They are a blanket that helps you feel comfortable and warm and protected. And also they can magically turn into a nifty scarf if you challenge my contract, so that I can, of course, cut off the air supply. Figuratively speaking. Of course, they're also a work in progress. It's kind of like my novel or that book I'm writing or that script I'm writing that I continually perfect yet never quite finish. Because there's always more work to be done to find every missing comma and highlight every word and perfect every clause and put all dots. And there, of course, make no mistakes, are battlegrounds. We use red lines to show how much fight has taken place. In fact, they're such major battlegrounds that we lawyers cannot agree what we call those things. Are they red lines, black lines, diff, comparison, delta view, you name it. We could have a very robust argument about what do we call the thing of going back and forth, so that we can agree what we call it. I will of course discuss many more topics like this about contracts because I love contracts. I also would like to hear from you. What do you call the red line, the black line, the diff, or whatever else you call it? Please leave me a note, I would like to know. And then of course, if you're one of those lawyers who want to argue, I'll see you in court, or maybe somewhere on the battlefield in the contract world where we exchange red lines or black lines back and forth.